Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here at Sun Pumps. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to change out the brushes in our DC motors. This is our brush type DC motor for our booster pumps. This is a 24 volt, and to change these out it's exactly the same as the 90 volt. They have a square motor brush, which I've got right here with these little brass tabs on the end. Pull that out. Now before we change it out, I'm going to just look at this end plate right here real quick. As you can see, there's these two little tabs on the side with these little buttons that kind of poke out. These are meant to touch the sides of the brush plate housing. And so I want to make sure they're just kind of flared out just a little bit. So I'm going to pull them out a little bit to give them more of a space. If they're dented in and they're pointed in, they may not make good contact and your motor may not run. So we want good contact, so I've just flared those out a little bit. And we're going to start by just turning our motor on our side here. Now, granted, you probably have your system all hooked up. You won't be able to get in there, but you will need to access these brush caps right here. And you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. And what we'll do is we're just going to turn that counterclockwise. And that's going to slide right out, and there is our brush, and it's going to just slide right out just like that. As you can see, let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. So this brass part, this golden looking area, this is what our brush has to make contact in. And so this curved surface needs to go in this way. So if we got our new brush and we want to put this in, we want to take our tabs to where it's on the sides, just like that, and we want to make sure it's flared out. And we're going to just slide it right in there, just like that. And then we're going to press our spring down in. It's going to want to push on one side and the other. Now, if you flare it out too much, you may end up trying to hit on the side and it won't want to go in. And you may have to just push it a little bit, but it should slide right down in there. And once we've got it down in there, that spring's going to want to immediately pop it back out. So you're just going to hold it with your finger while you take your brush cap. We'll zoom out here again. So I'm just going to take my brush cap and I'm just going to slide it right into place over that until I can get it kind of lined up. Oh, I'm just going to give it a little turn. Now this may be very difficult to do if it's down on the ground, you're working from the side. It can be a little tricky. But the other thing you want to make sure is that this cap, you want to tighten it all the way down. Don't go too heavy on it. We're just going to tighten it down to where it doesn't want to go anymore. If you crank too hard, you can chip the plastic. We don't want to do that. We don't want to strip our threads. But there you go. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's a very simple, very easy to do. You just do one and then rework the other. Now, like I said before, just make sure those tabs on your brush spring, these tabs here, we want to make sure they're just flared out just slightly. And also, when you're taking out the old brushes, always remember this graphite brush, that dust it stains very well, so always wear protective gear and whatnot. But yeah, there you have it. Hope that this helps, and best of luck to you guys, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.